Science and philosophy, the love of wisdom, are one. In the beginning and at the very end, they deal with fundamental existential issues. All the tools of science are at the service of consciousness. Scientists are not first aid for humanity's failed investments. They are not saviors who have answers. They are unpleasant creators of the new because they ask questions: why, where, when, and how. We placed the heavens above the clouds to escape death on earth. The craving to leave the earth, to conquer the universe, to join the gods, is the fear of death. We are biological creatures, made by nature for just the lower strata of the atmosphere. We are an inseparable part of nature. We are nature itself. The sanctity of life originates in responsibility. Since the beginning, we have lived in a communication society, as if life is nothing but communication. The point where we end and nature begins is just a matter of our consciousness. We have to ask the right questions. Who are we? What do we want? Where are we going? And therefore why, where, when, and how? We created technology that we might survive in nature. Comfort is born only when we are safe. Our struggle to be at ease has given rise to devastation. We confused ease with coziness and began to pollute. We have created a parallel technological world, seemingly self-sufficient and virtually independent of nature, but in reality, intrinsically dependent. Nature does not play. Nature does not show off. Nature is, and it is quite natural that we are, and that we are not. Science is here to ask the right questions. It is the task of science to ask the right questions: why, where, when, and how.